Hi everyone, this is your art teacher Miss Dressel, and today I'm going to talk to you about portraits. We can make portraits of other people, or we can make self-portraits, a picture of ourselves. Now when we're thinking about making a picture of someone we know or a picture of ourselves, we need to think of a few things that's going to make them look more real. We're going to use a pencil, crayons that come in neutral colors like different shades of brown or gray or yellows, or we can use markers that come in skin tone colors, all different shades of browns, peaches, ambers, or we can use colored construction paper. So we could use colored construction paper and compare it to make skin tone. So you have some different ideas of what you might be working with. It might be crayons, it might be markers, it might be construction paper. And we're going to use these things to make our portrait. I'm going to start off by using construction paper. I can put the construction paper next to my hand and try to think of what color looks the most like me. I'm going to choose this lighter one. Then I can use something like a lid or a circle to trace, or I can trace around my fist. This is going to help me make a face. I don't want my picture to be too small, so if I trace around something, I can make sure that my face for my portrait is nice and large. And then I can cut it out. I can save this and use this to make other parts of my picture. So I have a face. Once I have a face, I might need to add some more details. I think my person needs ears. So I can take some scraps from the edge of my paper and I can make ears. I can cut some ears from the scraps of paper. Ears are small, so I don't need a big piece. I can also start to add details like eyes on my face. So maybe I'll use some of these brown colored markers. I know my eyes are brown, so I could use brown to make dots for my eyes. I also need to add a nose, so I could choose one of these skin tone colors, these neutral colors, to make my nose. So I can draw a bump, a curved line for my nose. I also want to draw my mouth. So I could use a warmer color, like this reddish color, to make my mouth. I also need to add hair. So you might want to think about what color your hair is and choose a color that looks like your hair. And sometimes I wear my hair in a ponytail. So when I start to draw my picture, I could try to make my hair look more real by drawing it with lines. And sometimes I wear my hair in a ponytail, all twisted up on top of my head. I can use marker and I can use crayon to draw my hair. I also need to make my body. I need a neck. So maybe I'll use one of these crayons to make my neck. And I should color it in. My clothes might be colored or patterned, so maybe I'll use another piece of paper to make clothes. Today, I want to wear a green shirt, so I can cut a square out of green paper. This can be my shirt, And maybe I need arms. I can cut more pieces, like rectangles, out of paper to make arms. If I want, I can make myself waving by drawing little loops and coloring them in. I have 5 fingers, so I'm going to make 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that way, my picture has a hand. I could even sign my name on my shirt. Maybe I'll use a black. To decorate my clothes. Maybe I want my sleeves to have stripes. So now I need to glue down all these little pieces. And I can use a glue stick. So now that I know all of my pieces are in the right spot, I can glue them down. So I'll put a little glue on my paper, stick down my head, put a little glue on my ears, stick down my ears. I need to glue down my shirt. I need to glue down my sleeves. And then my self-portrait is complete. I hope you have a fun time making your own self-portrait using different art materials.